Hi, to make phone calls via Google Assistant on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, firstly, let's find Google app. For that, I'm gonna enable my drawer and here enter Google, and here it is. Now, in this app, we would need to tap on this circle, which is actually our Google profile. So just tap it. Here you can check your Google account, and then we would need to go in the settings. From settings, select Google Assistant. Like that, go in the Hey Google and voice match and make sure that this feature Hey Google is enabled and also that you just went in this retrain voice match model and trained your assistant to recognize your voice. For that, you just need to select this tab and say out loud everything you'll see on the screen, such as, "Hey Google, help me write a thank you note." "Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow?" "Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow?" "Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed." "Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes." And now it is ready. We just need to tap next button and now we can make calls with the help of Google Assistant. And for that, you would need to simply say this phrase, triggering Google, and just say call this person. So let me show you this example. "Hey Google, call Maddie." And now Google Assistant is calling Maddie. So that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.